So we start off today's video with someone who has long mid-back length hair. Stylist chops the hair down into a bob. It looks like she might be doing a pixie bob. Yes, wow, this is beautiful. Nice undercut with this style as well. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, well, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some hair transformation. So here we have someone with shoulder length hair. Stylist did a nice lob makeover here. Beautiful bright blonde color, gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Very nice shaggy curly style for the next look. She does have bangs in the front with this as well. Beautiful texture. Next up, we have someone once again with mid-length hair. The hair is placed into two ponytails and the stylist begins to cut. Absolutely stunning bob hairstyle, very nice. Classic middle part down the center for this one. So next up, it looks like we have someone getting an undercut style. Very nice pixie. The hair is very thick and full. Beautiful shape for this one. Really playing into that asymmetrical pixie trend. Very nicely done. So here we have someone that looks like she might be in for a cut refresh, trimming of her pixie style. I love the shape and texture that the stylist is doing for this. Very nice. And then we have a beautiful bob. I really like the chunky highlights that the stylist did with the color. Very nice. Beautiful side swoop bangs. So much volume and body. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.